Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your white polish and apply a thin layer of it to the entire nail surface, and then I want you to go ahead and let it dry fully. And then you're gonna go on with your second layer of another thin coat of the white nail polish, and then you're gonna let that dry as well. And because I don't have a matte top coat, I went ahead and used this shadow that I had and mixed it with the glossy top coat. And I mixed too much of the glossy top coat, so when I painted it on the nail, it still looked glossy. But if you have a matte top coat, then just go ahead and use that. You don't have to do this method. Okay, because it was still too glossy, I went ahead and got more of that powder and I mixed it with just a tiny bit of the glossy top coat. And I'm using this separate brush and I'm gonna paint it on the nail. And you'll see as I paint it on, it starts to turn matte. Okay, so I'm gonna check to see if the nail is dry, and then I'm gonna take an eyeshadow applicator and just rub this eyeshadow into that nail. So now that we got our nail looking cute, I dusted it off, and then I'm gonna go in with that same white polish that we went in with at the beginning and paint roses in those little circles that I created. And last but not least, I wanted to make sure I could top coat this nail without those circles coming off that I created with that dark burgundy eyeshadow. And here's the final look.